What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. And in today's video, we're going to be going over breaking news as far as NIO and the stock price, as well as 6 reasons why I feel this company has amazing room to run, crazy upside potential, and most importantly, a big opportunity to profit on this stock. And I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Your feedback is just amazing. I love interacting with each and every one of you, and the growth this channel is experiencing is just ridiculous. We are now about to hit 1 month, and I still feel we have an opportunity to hit 4,000 subs in that time frame. And most importantly, only if you feel this video gives you great insight and analysis on the stock NIO, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be going over a lot of crazy growth stocks and spec plays in the near future. It's going to be a lot of great information. You don't want to miss out. All right, let's get into the video. All right, guys, and before every video, I just want to give you a quick update on the public portfolio. We invested $16,700. It has a market value of $23,100 with a $6,400 gain at a 38% gain. There's a lot of growth stocks in here and a lot of spec plays. I feel this portfolio has a lot of room to run. I keep preaching that. And you can go ahead and pause the video later on and take a look at some of these companies I'm invested in. We have Tortoise, Lancadia, Opez, DraftKings. So there's a lot of room to run for sure. And this is just my public portfolio. I have a private portfolio where I'm holding long-term growth stocks, and I have 200 shares invested in NIO currently, and I did purchase at a price point right around that $10, $11 range, and I just want to be transparent with you with all the companies I invest in. I would not be talking about them if I didn't truly believe in them in the near future. These are all amazing growth stocks that have a lot of opportunity to run in the next couple of years. All right, for those of you that have been following the channel, you know I have been going over NIO multiple times. Even when the channel was much smaller, I continued to bring it up because I have been identifying that these price points for what this company potentially has in the near future is just massive opportunity and a once-in-a-lifetime chance to get in on a massive EV company taking over China as we speak. Professional bankers and analysts have continuously upgraded to buy rating multiple months in a row. A couple of weeks ago, we were at JP Morgan. They upgraded to a buy. And now we have multiple bankers and analysis coming in for a second upgraded buy back-to-back months. People are beginning to realize the opportunity that this company has. It is a very early startup company. They just recently went IPO a couple of years ago, and now the stock is beginning to pick up some steam. Once again, I want you guys to realize I did purchase this stock around that $10 and $11 range. That is the exact same time I continue to put more and more awareness around the stock on my YouTube channel as the channel began to grow. And now that the YouTube is growing substantially, we have a larger opportunity to get this out to more and more retail investors such as myself. In just a matter of a month, we see that this stock was hovering around that $11 price range. And now we have the drastic increase doubling to the $20 range. NIO soars to new highs after bullish call from Morgan Stanley. Bullish call from Morgan Stanley analyst Tim H. The analyst upgraded the American depository shares of Chinese electric car maker to overweight and a price target of $20.50. Shares were trading around that level, up from about 15% during Wednesday's mid-session. NIO shares have been on fire this year along with competitor Tesla. And you have to understand, this is the only company that has the closest opportunity to even compare to Tesla 5-10 years down the road. This is going to be the one that has the largest opportunity as far as their innovation and product development. Since the pandemic, NIO has secured a $1 billion in investment from state-owned companies. This $1 billion has a lot of opportunity to go a long way. This gives them a substantial marketing approach in the near future to grow their company very rapidly, even during a pandemic. Analysts have also made note of indications that NIO may expand globally, starting with Europe this year. They're already in China, and the sales are going up rapidly. We will be going into the sales later on in the video. And Europe is just going to be another massive opportunity to grow down the road. And also in my last video, we had JP Morgan upgrade to a substantial buy in the past couple of weeks. This is just another cherry on top as far as their buy rating. We're getting more and more buy ratings from massive banks and professional analysts. We have seen a substantial amount of sales massive increase in 2020. They are thriving in a pandemic. Massive market in China. This is an eco-friendly business model and an expense reduction when you're switching over from gas to EV, as well as, you know, making the world a better place. The Chinese premium EV manufacturer has achieved another strong result in July. This just happened recently, as sales increased by 322% year over year to 3,533, which is the second best month ever since the company has established. These statistics are some of their hot sellers. The ES6, which is a 5-seat SUV, 2,610 sales, up 280% year over year. The ES8, 6-seat SUV, 923, 463% increase year over year, totaling 3,533. Overall, 322% gain, which is amazing. During a pandemic, they are thriving in sales. This company has innovation for the future. Their power swap station technology, fully electric battery swap in 3 minutes, okay? This is EV growing in the beginning stages. This technology is just unheard of as far as innovation. Their battery swap in 3 minutes, the world's first battery swap technology of its kind, an ultimate and exclusive power service experience. The world's first battery swap technology of its kind, an ultimate and exclusive power service experience enabled by over 500 patented technologies. The fastest power supply solution, fully automatic battery swap in 3 minutes, faster than refueling. So these are literally stations that come up from underground and will replace your battery pack with a fully recharged system in a matter of 3 minutes. This is an amazing technology and people are loving it. This is going to continue growing over time in China and potentially in the European markets. Just being able to bring people over to the EV side, switching over from gas. Like I said before, gas is in the past. This is innovation, and this is where the world is headed. Vehicle MSRP average around 65 grand. These are amazing price points for these types of vehicles and innovation. You're getting crazy technology at a bargain right in that middle class pricing. The car's EV powertrain was developed by Tata Technologies. NIO is operating with Bosch. 65,000 MSRP for their SUVs. These are very good price points competing with Tesla, the massive behemoth in the market. They're right around the same price point. So this is very good signs that the company has amazing profitability at their manufacturing price points. And this is the most important factor of all. We get so caught up in financials, sales, price targets, and price raises. We have to understand the most important part of a vehicle car company is the craftsmanship. Guys, I've been into foreign cars my whole life. I've been driving Audis, BMWs. I love these types of vehicles in the foreign car market. This China competitor in EV technology, they have beautiful craftsmanship from what I am seeing. We will take a quick look at these vehicles, and you guys, I want to know what you guys are seeing from the on-seeing eye as far as craftsmanship. Looking at the EC6, this looks like a beautiful vehicle. It has very good symmetry. I love that they didn't go overboard on their body kit approaches. And also the rims are very slick. I love the slick design. It's not overboard. This looks like a Porsche Cayenne kind of feel. BMW X6, X5, I really like it. They're taking a lot of different foreign vehicle approaches and putting it to a overall smooth vehicle approach, which is very solid to me. The ES8 is also one of their bigger luxury vehicles, and from what we are seeing, it has that luxury Lexus SUV feel. It's very solid. I do like the grille as well and the LED headlights, and you got to understand, this is EV electric. You are getting a bargain at these price points, as well as eco-friendly for the environment. It's just a win-win either way. So you can take a look at other vehicles. I just wanted to give you guys my opinion on what I'm seeing right now as far as their product development. You need to understand you are in a early stage of investing in this company. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a long-term hold, massive potential, okay? We're already seeing the company triple, double in a matter of months. More and more analysts and bankers are coming to grasp of EV technology. This one is headed light years ahead in the future. If you give this stock opportunity to do its course, as well as marketing into the European and growing the China markets, this company has room to run for sure. And I want you guys to understand I am very transparent as far as investing. I am very conservative with what I invest in. I don't worry about price fluctuations up and down when I enter these growth stocks because I see the potential future down the road. This keeps my stress levels to bare minimum. I do not stress about the companies I invest in. I sit back, chill, relax, and let these companies do their work. That's why we do our research in the beginning before we invest in these companies. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. And be sure to drop me a comment. I want to hear your guys' analysis on this video. As we can see, large banks and analysts are now giving this a continuous buy rating in the near future. And I will be replying to each and every one of you that leaves me a comment. Most importantly, if you feel this video gave you great insight or perspective on where NIO is headed in the future, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be giving you a lot of great updates in the near future on all the SPAC stocks and growth plays. You don't want to miss out. There's going to be a lot of good information. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.